What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to use the Claude for coding, and it's going to be a pretty simple video where you will be learning about a few concepts that you can use in your daily life to make yourself a basic website or something that you want to do with. It's not going to be a 10 minutes or 15 minutes long video tutorial, but just a simple conceptual based tutorial. Once you have downloaded the desktop application of the Claude, I have attached the link to this download link in the description, so guys can check that out as well. So once you are over here, once signed up, you have the subscription. What you guys need to do is that you have to see these three things. There are skills, connectors, and plugins. So if you are good at something like graphic designing, or probably good at UI UX, and you're good at designing stuff, you go ahead and add that skill into it. Tell everything and research everything about it on the Gemini or probably Claude. Then ask it to create an empty file which could be readable from the skills files. You just go ahead and add skills and you will be able to add it. And there are some default skills as well that you can add it, like MCP builder, like Canva design. All these things can be added from here. You don't have to go ahead and create the things from your own stuff. Now, once you have already added the skills that you want to add, now there are connectors. So you can add the connectors that you want. For example, the one that if you're a developer and gonna go ahead and code, the one thing that is gonna be very helpful is GitHub. So you don't have to go ahead and tell it to connect it from there, connect it from here. You can simply install the GitHub from the connector, and the GitHub also is available over here. So it says add from GitHub. So now once everything has been set up, the plugins, the GitHub, the connectors, the skills, now what we have to do, we have to go to the Claude Code. You have to go to the left hand side, on the top left hand side, and over here just go ahead and click on the Claude Code, and you will be redirected to this page. Now you can start a new designing. You can start a new project from here. You can start it from like where Claude runs locally, and you can set up a default location, add cloud environment, set up a remote control if you want to, and then you can start working on it right away. There are other things that you can do is using the PowerShell. I have installed the Claude on the PowerShell as well. So I just go ahead and type Claude from here, and it will open up over here very easily, very smooth. Now you can vibe code it over here, and you can use it for different steps that you want to do, and it will work fine. It will work gracefully, so you don't have to worry about anything. So this is pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one.